If you've ever wanted to record your computer desktop, maybe to create a tutorial, capture gameplay, or save a video call, but don't want to fuss with complicated software, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to record your desktop screen using VLC Media Player. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to capture anything happening on your screen, save it as a video file, and use that recording however you like. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up VLC Media Player on your computer. VLC isn't just for playing videos, it's a surprisingly powerful tool that contains some handy features under the hood, including screen recording. Make sure you have it updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once VLC is open, look toward the top left and click on the menu labeled Media. From this drop-down, go ahead and select Open Capture Device. You might not have used this feature before, but it's what unlocks VLC's ability to capture live inputs, including your desktop. In the window that pops up, find the Capture Device tab. This is crucial because the settings here determine exactly what VLC will record. Under Capture Mode, click the drop-down menu and select Desktop. This option switches VLC from thinking about cameras and microphones to focusing on what's happening on your screen. Here's an important detail: the desired frame rate for the capture field. This controls how smooth your video will look. For most tutorials, a rate of 30 frames per second works great. Your viewers will see smooth mouse movements and clear actions. If you're capturing something fast, like a video game or rapid motion, you can bump this up to 60 FPS for an even slicker result. Remember, higher frame rates mean bigger video files, so adjust based on what you need. Now at the bottom right of the window is the familiar play button. And this is key, instead of clicking it directly, click the small down arrow right next to it. From the drop-down, select Convert. This tells VLC you want to save what you're about to record rather than simply viewing it. You'll land on the Convert window next. Take a quick glance to make sure your source is listed correctly. This should match your desktop selection from earlier. Under Profile, you'll pick your recording format. For most folks, Video H.264 plus MP3 MP4 is a solid choice. MP4 files are widely supported and offer good quality without massive sizes. If you need a different format, feel free to explore here. VLC is flexible. Next, you'll need to decide where your recording will be saved. Click the Browse button next to Destination File. Choose a location that's easy to find later. Your desktop or videos folder works well. Give your file a clear name and don't forget to add MP4 or the appropriate extension to the end. Double-check your spelling and extension so your computer recognizes the file as a video. You're almost ready. Click Save and then hit Start to begin recording. At this point, VLC will look like it's playing a video. The timer will start counting, but what's really happening is it's quietly recording everything on your desktop. You can go about your tutorial, presentation, or demo as you normally would. Take your time. VLC will keep recording until you tell it to stop. When you're done capturing, simply come back to the main VLC window and click the Stop Playback button, the little square icon. Once you do, VLC will finish off your recording and save the file to the location you chose. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your desktop using VLC. If you have any questions, want tips for editing your recordings, or just want to share how you're using this feature, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and subscribe for more simple, practical tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy recording.